repeatedly it is coming, they are approaching, publish this, publish this, publish this. My lord, what is the legal right they are having? They have already, my lord, participated in the selection process. Must be again having been failed. They are
No,
approaching.
past.
Past then.
Call for verification.
Call for verification, very good. Call for verification, very good.
Again, I am also having a stigma. The selection process, tainted candidates are allowed.
Will you allow me to speak or not to speak?
No, sir.
Only you will speak. I cannot satisfy everyone's demand. Every day, everyone will come. Every day demands. I am whether I will do my selection process or I will do it.
Petitioners are praying for. Petitioner is praying for, my lord, to publish the entire list with full details for all the candidates who are not specifically found to be tainted and who do not fall under the purview of any unlawful appointments obtained through rank jump, out of panel, expiry of panel, or any other category. The four broad categories, my lord, which the Supreme Court has mentioned. And other than the four broad categories, my lord, I have specifically...
This is in respect of which?
This is in respect of class 9-10.
9-10.
Item 7 is for 9-10 and item 9 is for 11-12. Both are same, having the same prayer.
All right.
My lord, just I want to place one thing, my lord. Pursuant to order dated 26th of November 2025, the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, it's at page 122.
Yes.
My lord, page 122, my lord, just I read out the relevant portion. The High Court shall, my lord, this is the first, second, third, fourth paragraph.
Yes.
The High Court shall, however, ensure that none of the tainted candidates are permitted to slip through in the fresh selections, be it on any pretext.
Pretext.
The High Court shall also ensure that the list of tainted candidates is placed in the public domain with full details so as to ensure that this does not happen. Well, these are the two directions. And my lord, in order to ensure that, my lord, the tainted candidates are not slipped through, my lord, I have prayed before your lordship that a list of candidates who are not specifically found to be tainted. Supreme Court has, in the judgment, my lord, has categorized two types of candidates. One is, your lordship knows, my lord, one is tainted and one is not specifically found to be tainted. I have annexed the order also. So these lists may be public, excluding all. Thereafter, my lord, whatever happens, my lord, that's a different issue altogether. My lord, there are other prayers also for publication of OMR, for not allowing the tainted candidate to sit for the examination for public.
I've already passed an order in one of the matters.
Yes, my lord, your lordship has passed in respect of Group C, Group D.
All right. But then, has that been appealed again?
No, there is no appeal before the division bench. There is one SLP filed, my lord. Your lordship would find, my lord, it is still under defect.
All right.
There is not even a stay, but it has been filed by the School Service Commission, as well as yesterday I came to know state has also filed an SLP against that order. But my lord, your lordship may pass order in this one also, because we will also participate in the proceeding before the Supreme Court. Because there, as of now, there is no stay and it is still under defect. And my lord, I just want to show, my lord, why I am praying for segregating the persons, those who are... No. Why I am praying for segregating the persons, those who are after expiry of panel, your lordship would come to, my lord, page number 105. That's the notification of the commission. My lord, publication of final panel in respect of the selected candidates and final waiting list with reference to first state level selection 2016 for recruitment. This notification was published. My lord,
105, 12th March 2018.
Yes, my lord. This was the date on which the notification was public. So 1 year after that is, my lord, 11/3/2019. Any appointment made after 11/3/2019.
Was this extended, this date?
No.
There was one chart shown to...
My lord, in respect of class, in respect of Group C, Group D, there is a provision in the rules. I brought the rules for extension. In respect of class 9, 10 and 11, 12, there was no provision for extension. My lord, kindly see the rule once. This was previous SLST rules. 2016 rules. Para 15, clause 15. Each panel and wait list shall remain valid for 1 year from the date of publication of the panel and waiting list, comma, or the date of advertisement for the next selection test, whichever is earlier. And my lord, paragraph 31 of the Supreme Court's judgment, the main judgment, my lord, it has categorically stated, my lord, paragraph 31, that is at page 69. WBSSC, my lord, paragraph 31, my lord, may I just read out? WBSSC has also tried to justify the extension of the term of panel. As noted above, the time period of 1 year specified in Rule 21 for destruction of OMR sheets coincides with the time period specified for the validity of panel. There is no doubt that the counseling process and appointments were made to the post of assistant teachers for classes 9 and 10, 11 and 12 were made after expiry of panel. This is illegal and contrary to rules. Reliance on the orders, judgments of High Court in stray of cases of rank jumping where the High Court directed to appoint the candidates after expiry and validity of panel would not have any significant impact. The court at that stage was not concerned and aware of the illegalities in the appointment procedure and had not specifically examined the question of appointment after expiry of panel. But at that point of time, my lord, court was passing orders. Subsequently, the court came to know, High Court came to know that these appointments are being made after expiry of panel. Thereafter, the entire scam of SSC came into picture. That has been categorically recorded and order has been passed. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, I want that the list of candidates, those who are not specifically found to be tainted, my lord, that may be published. Paragraph 20. My prayer, my lord, kindly see, my lord, prayer B. Other prayers, my lord, as an interim prayer, page 28. A writ in the nature of mandamus commanding the respondents and each one of them to forthwith publish the entire list with full details of all.
Lord, I am very sorry that all of a sudden it has been disconnected. Now, Lord, kindly come to the order which has been page 121, starts from page 21. Kindly come to me, Lord, page 122, which has been read. The High Court shall, however, ensure that none of the tainted candidates are permitted to slip through in the fresh selections, be it on any pretext. The High Court shall also ensure that the list of tainted candidates is placed on the public domain with full details as to ensure that this does not happen. This tainted list has been placed in the public domain. We have placed it. 27 November. So far, the untainted as concerned, now those who are not specifically tainted, they are working. That list also we have prepared in one matter. Your lordships have directed, we will give it.
Yes.
Now, we will give it.
Allow him to speak.
Now, therefore, this list, what has been stated in paragraph, this judgment of 46, the judgment paragraph 46 is concerned. Kindly come to me, Lord, page 72. The last question relates to the relief granted and whether it requires any modification. We find no valid ground for reason to be interfere with the directions of the High Court that the service of the tainted candidates were appointed must be terminated and they should be required to refund any salaries payment received. Since their appointments were to be removed so and so, the next paragraph. For candidates not specifically found to be tainted, the entire selection process has been rightly declared null and void, but due to the egregious violation and illegalities which violates Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution. As such, the appointments of these candidates are cancelled. However, candidates who have already employed need not to be asked to refund. Then categories have been said. Then, Lord, kindly come to paragraph. appointment number the appointments have been with the untainted one. They kindly come to paragraph page 76. Kindly come to page, I kindly come to page. An advertisement for recruitment to the aforesaid post shall be published before 31st. First, kindly see the first. We are inclined to accept the prayer made in the present application so far it relates to assistant teacher for classes 9 and 10 and classes 11 and 12 not found to be tainted, subject to the following condition. What are the condition? Shall be published before 31st March 2021. The examination and the entire recruitment process shall be completed by 31st December 2025. And the state government, the applicant, West Bengal Board of and the West Bengal School Council shall file their respective affidavits by 30th. It has been done. In case so and so, we clarify the orders shall not be read as a conferring in a special right or advantage to the aforesaid teachers. Aforesaid teachers means untainted teachers. And insofar as the phrase recruitment process is concerned, we are not inclined to accept the prayer in the present as insofar as non-teaching posts in group C and D are concerned as the number of appropriate appointees specifically found to be tainted in the said group is substantively high. And secondly, what has prompted us to pass the order in respect of assistant teacher not found to be tainted is that students undergoing study suffer on account. The word tainted list is also there. Repeatedly it is coming, they are approaching, publish this. What is the legal right they are having? They have already participated in the selection process. Must be again having been failed. They are
No,
approaching. Past and
called for verification.
call for verification, very good. Call for verification, very good.
Again, I am also having a stigma. That the selection process tainted candidates are allowed.
Will you allow me to speak or not to speak?
No, sir.
Only you will speak.
No.
We will not speak. You are only speak.
No, you have stated that I have failed. I have
That
passed
is the
out.
objection has to be
That have
My lord, your lordships on the other day said not to speak any other persons. Now, if I say anything, your lordships will pass comments against me. Now, how they are dealing with these matters? Now, my lord, our submission is very clear. The tainted teachers list has been published. Untainted are working. The what list I will pass, not found to be tainted. Again, one after another prayer is being made. My lord, one thing, my lord, kindly excuse me, my lord. I want to communicate one thing to your lordships, my lord. Whatever it may be, 2000 selection process, those who will go, their name have been deleted. The Supreme Court ultimately has finalized it. If they found that any tainted person has been appointed by me, they will come, of course. But through the court, they cannot make any roving inquiry. I cannot satisfy everyone's demand. Every day, everyone will come, every day demands. I am, whether I will do my selection process or I will do it. I have to go by the selection process. Time has fixed up to 31st December. So far the teachers are concerned. We are working in tremendous pressure. And all have been, my lord, whatever your lordships have directed, we have uploaded. Uploaded already. Only one matter that your lordship, with my deep respect to your lordships, that your lordships have extended the scope of the candidates. That way we have filed an SLP. But kindly do not entertain now. If anyone, if you wants to entertain, if whatever it may be, let all that after the selection process is completed. If selection anybody has got wrongly, and if it has been established, his name will go. Thereafter, whose name will come, that's we do not know. I will be beseeching to your lordships kindly, do not interfere at this stage now. And your lordships are not interfering in number of matters. A number of matters that I am grateful to your lordships.